itself is so intriguing. Yes, I love the name of it. I actually fell for it. This is known as Layali Lubna. It's a Mediterranean recipe. Actually, it's a Lebanese recipe and it means Lebanese nightlife. What a dish! What a name of the dish! Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today I am preparing Keto Layali Lubna and you're going to just love it. So let's begin with it. So this recipe requires 2 layers. So I am preparing the first layer. So for this I have taken a pan and I am dropping the cream into it. This is my fresh cream or single cream. I have taken almond flour. And to this I am adding Agar-agar, that is your vegetarian gelatin, and sugar-free stevia goes into it. You can add any sugar-free you like or you use, but it should be healthy, and give it a magic mix. Now I am going to boil it. So on a medium to slow flame I am going to stir it continuously and I am going to boil it. Just mix it up so that there is no lump of any ingredients. They get properly mixed up. And when it starts boiling, you know it's done. As I had already shared, this is a recipe which requires 2 layers. So I finished preparing the first layer and now I'm going to start off with the second layer. Nightlife dessert, I am going to take a mixer jar and I am going to drop the paneer into it. Yes, this is the homemade paneer or the cottage cheese. Simply boil 1 liter of milk and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. When it starts boiling, your milk will curdle and you pass it through the sieve and you get your cottage cheese or paneer. You can compress it even to get a solid block of the paneer. And I have just put it in the mixer jar and now I am dropping the sugar-free stevia. You can use any healthy sugar-free sweeteners in this recipe. Drop some rose water into it. That will give a lovely flavor to this recipe. I'm going to churn it, and after churning, see, this is the paste it has formed. That is your cream layer. I have prepared a paneer cream instead of using actual cream in it. So I have just prepared a cream layer of the paneer. Can you see the thickness? And you can see the peaks even. Take the paneer layer out in a bowl. So this is the thick creamy paneer layer. Can you see the thickness? Perfectly thick, and as it cools down it will get more thicker. Cover this up with a cling foil and I'm going to refrigerate this in the fridge. Now comes the time of the first layer, that which we have prepared on the gas stove. So for that I have taken some glass bowls and I'm going to drop the creamy mixture into it. I have kept some space because I am going to cover it up with the paneer cream which I have prepared. And now again I am covering these glasses with the cling foil. And the remaining creamy first layer will go in another bowl. Cover this up again with the cling foil. Now all these, the cream, that is my second layer, and the first layer, all these will go in the fridge for refrigeration. I am going to chill it for at least 7 to 8 hours. See, can you see they are all set now? That is my second layer, paneer cream. So now I am going to drop this paneer cream over the first layer. Can you see the thickness? Lovely thick. So I'm dropping spoonfuls of paneer cream over the first layer. Just spread it out lightly. Dropping again in the second bowl. This is the protein portion and a lovely way to have the proteins. Being a vegetarian, sometimes you are constrained of how to use the paneer. Only in the form of vegetable or saute veggie, it becomes a pain to have. But you can create so many recipes, and you can visit my channel even to get awesome, lovely recipes and new ideas to use paneer or the cottage cheese in your diet. And this is the pistachios. This is your roasted pistachios, which I have just crushed it. I've passed it through a chopper, electric chopper. So there is some dust of pistachios, some tiny and bigger pieces of pistachios, which I'm just spreading over the lubna, that is your Layali Lubna, and also onto the goblet glasses. So drop a hearty portion of the pistachios, fill up all the nooks and corners. And my Layali Lubna is done. Can you see? Isn't it looking gorgeous? Already you can eat it directly from the goblet, and if you are refrigerating in a glass, square dish or rectangular dish or a round dish, then simply slice it off and just take out one slice of it and serve it over a plate. See. So my Layali Lubna is ready. Yes, it's a Lebanese dessert, as I had already shared, and this is in the keto low-carb form, and it is rich in protein even. So no worries, you can have guilt-free. So let's taste it. It looks very soft, and maybe because of the agar-agar, and this goes inside my mouth. Wow, it's so soft and spongy and so delicious. Actually, I had never tried any dish with agar-agar, and this is my first recipe with agar-agar, and I'm totally in love with it. See? So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this Keto Layali Lubna. What a lovely, refreshing name. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.